Hey guys, my name is Shamit Patel, and today the technology I'll be talking about is called Grammarly. So I'm going to get right into that. Quickly, I'll share my screen with you guys. Okay, perfect. So what is Grammarly? Grammarly is an advanced version of an autocorrect, essentially. So what it does is that it corrects your writing as well as your grammar, your punctuation, and your spelling as you go on the internet. So this is Grammarly's website, and a couple points that they make here is as you're writing at your best, they make sure to do everything that they can to make your writing easy to read, effective, and mistake-free. They eliminate errors. They can instantly fix over 250 types of errors, most of which Microsoft Word actually can't find. They enhance the clarity and meaning by essentially finding the perfect word using context-optimized synonym suggestions. And through this, you essentially become a better writer. You learn about your mistakes so that you can avoid them in the future. And you write anywhere. So Grammarly is actually used, it's a web-based platform, so it's used on any website that you're writing on. It's essentially the spell check that Microsoft Word has within Microsoft Word throughout the entire internet, which is great. The demo you see here is for Gmail. So in a nutshell, what it does is it eliminates most of your writing mistakes. It is web-based, so it works wherever you are as long as you're online. And it's built by the world's leading linguists, which is reassuring to hear as well. Now, why this is so useful. So I found a particular article by Stanford University on the top 20 errors in undergraduate writing. Of course, this is a graduate program, but some of us come right out of undergrad to go to graduate, and I feel that some still apply. I know they apply to me, so maybe this will be helpful for you guys as well. The top 20 are choosing the wrong word, such as illusion versus illusion, missing a comma, such as here, determined to make their flight on time. The comma would be right here to separate the fact that they rose at dawn. Incomplete or missing documentation. This isn't really something Grammarly can do at the moment, as it's referring to setting certain page numbers or sources. Vague pronoun reference, again, something that Grammarly cannot do because they don't necessarily know who you is in this particular case. But they will correct spelling. They will correct mechanical errors, unnecessary commas, unnecessary or missing capitalization, missing words, faulty sentence structure, missing commas with a non-restrictive element, unnecessary shift in verb tense, missing comma in compound sentence, unnecessary missing apostrophes, run-on sentences they'll also correct, comma splice, they will correct for you, lack of pronoun antecedent agreement, poorly integrated quotation, missing or unnecessary hyphen and sentence fragments. So there's quite a few on this list, as you can see, and they're the most common according to Stanford University. And this is where Grammarly truly comes into play for all of the papers we have to write, for all the discussion posts we have to complete, the homeworks we're assigned, as well as the treatises that we're all going to have to write as well. It's going to be a very helpful tool to get us through those processes. So Grammarly is something that's actually not installed on my iMac. It's installed on my MacBook, so I'll go ahead and walk you through the download process. So once that downloads, I want to double click it, go through the standard process, and just like that, sign up for it, save the password. You could do a premium account, gives you a little bit more, but not really necessary. Again, just highlighting the fact that it's a cloud-based solution for you. Gives you some advanced tools as well. Real-time checking, where you make corrections in one click, which I'll show you. The corrections are very easy to do. You can also add them to your dictionary. We'll expand the card for other suggestions. So we can kind of look at this demo document. For years, I have been driving an old used car with a lot of mileage, and I hate it. It gets to me where I need to go, but I'm tired of fixing leaks and broken parts all the time. It's annoying that I have to take it to a mechanic every time. Even when they take care of everything, I know in a week I'll end up going back there. So here we see 3 corrections that can be made. So all you want to do is simply click on the word that has the red underline. And just like that, you can make a correction. Same thing goes with mechanic. It could be A or the. We'll say A in this case. And lastly, every times is supposed to be every time. And just like that, you can instantly correct all of the mistakes, grammar mistakes that are found in this document. So this is a little bit more of an enhanced version of spell check, as you guys can see, as it also fixes grammar, punctuation, as well as spelling, of course. And just like that, it's all complete. So this is a demo document. Let's see it actually working live. So what I can do here is simply just pull up a Gmail and compose an email. So I can write, hello, the sky is blue. This ski doesn't really help, right? So here you can see Grammarly jumps in and understands that that the word I was looking for was sky. Also, thank you for your time today. I enjoy meeting with you earlier. This class is going to be great, and I am excited to learn about it, and I am ready for this semester. So just like that, you'll see the Grammarly will pick up on that as well as that. But for some reason, they didn't catch this run-on sentence. Not sure why. So my apologies on that, guys. But nonetheless, you can see that it is a cloud-based tool that allows you to go through the processes of standard writing. It gives you spell check where spell check isn't normally found on the internet. Now let's see if it also works on Microsoft Word. Word is not down there, so what I can do here is pull up the application. Oh, that was right. The application here, go to Word. So as we wait for Word, we'll see the Cowboys. For those of you who watch football, I am a Cowboys fan. But back to the conversation, or the topic at hand. Now, here I want to see if Grammarly actually will work with Microsoft Word, or if the standard, spell check kicks in here. So sorry, my computer's having a little bit of a lag to it. Okay. Wow. Well, that's the end of that presentation. Come on. This computer drives me crazy.